am subscribed to 438 persons. And here's why.
Arts Workfly.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite art teacher, Art Workfly. If you want to know who I'm subscribed to, be sure to stay to the end of the video. So I am subscribed to 438 persons, but I hide my subscriptions list. And the reason why I hide my subscriptions list is because back then I used to subscribe to a lot of persons who don't match up with my character right now. So I hide my subscriptions list. But now I've grown, I've unsubscribed to some persons. So now I can talk about who I unsubscribe to and who I recommend you to subscribe to. So you know me as a Christian, and because I've been doing my Bible journaling on here, and so as a Christian I can't be watching certain things, so I unsubscribe to certain people. But I'm not telling you to unsubscribe to anyone, I'm just telling you who I unsubscribe to. Why I'm subscribed to 438 persons is because, alright, let's say I'm watching a video and I really like a video that the person posted, and they said subscribe and remember to like. Once I like what I'm watching, I will subscribe. So that is one of the reasons why I subscribe to so many persons, because some of them are my friends and I just want to support them, so I go ahead and subscribe. Most of the persons who I subscribe to, I want to learn something from, so I end up subscribing. I think the main reason why I subscribe to 438 persons is because it's basically that I want them to feel good about what they're doing, and that what they're doing is well worth it to be doing, to be watching, because I'm learning, I am interested, because they did provide a content that I really did like, or I want to support them. So sometimes I don't watch all the videos, or I don't watch the videos, or sometimes I glimpse the videos and not stay on too long, but I'm still supporting. Sometimes I end up liking without even watching the video, so that's another thing. If they put out their effort, so I end up just liking the video for their effort. Sometimes like my favorite YouTuber would recommend somebody to subscribe to, and I just go ahead and subscribe, and not remembering that I subscribe to that person because I'm not really familiar with the person or the name. So I end up subscribing to the person and don't watch the video. So now I end up with 438 persons. Another reason is because it's not going to hurt me to just subscribe to the person. I like this channel, let me just click subscribe. Oh my god, I just clicked subscribe and I broke my face. Or I'm losing all my money because I subscribe. Oh, I like this one, I'm gonna subscribe. What's this? Your account emptied?
My bank account is now empty. Oh, why? Can I subscribe? No.
Or I'm walking lame because I subscribed to someone. Oh, I like this video. Oh, girl, I like that one. I'm gonna subscribe to you. Oh no! No, it's just a one click away. It's just one click away. So that is why I subscribe to so many persons, because it's not hurting me. If the person upload a video and it was recommended to me because it's in my subscription list, then when I watch a video and I recognize that, wait, this is not good for my spirit, so I just end up unsubscribing again. So it doesn't take any energy out of me, so I just subscribe. So I end up having 438 persons. Alright, so one day I'm going to open my subscriptions list after I've cleansed it out, because it's now private. So I will do that one day, so you guys can see the list and go ahead and check out their channel and click subscribe. I am starting a series to tell you guys who I am subscribed to and recommend that you subscribe to, because this is the art community and I want to show you guys who inspired me to do certain things and so on. So there are some YouTubers out there that has great work that you can watch and really learn from. So as the art teacher, as a person who loves art, as an artist, I am going to recommend some persons in the art world for you. It's not only going to be about persons in the art world. I have that series coming up, who I'm subscribed to and why. This is basically an introduction video telling you about that series. I have plenty of videos coming up, but I just don't get the chance to edit and upload because I don't have any internet, and time to edit will be booked by my 9 to 5, so-called 9 to 5. Now I am going to insert a clip of all my subscriptions. I'm just going to scroll down or scroll up. I'm just going to scroll and then you guys will see all the listings here, because this is just an introduction. So the next video now that you will see the comparisons and so on. So now who I'm subscribed to is Jasmine. All I have to see right now, you would have to watch the other video. So bye guys, thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next video. Artwork fly. Feels so good saying that, so I'm gonna say it one more time for you guys. Artwork fly. Alright, this one seems like I like this one. Subscribe. I just went bankrupt. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. No, 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 no. Artwork fly. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.